What is up everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to fix the front grills, the bezel, and also the front bumper. These are original grills, but we're gonna paint the grill and of course the bezel right here. Alright, so yes, let's go ahead and do this. Alright guys, so my grill is actually just sanded, but actually the real way is to get rid of all the paint, but in this case this is a plastic, and if you use the paint remover to remove the paint, the plastic will damage. So I basically just sanded it down and I will paint it with a aerosol paint. So this is the final color. I actually not sure if this is the color I want because I want something that is a little brighter than this, but it's okay. We're gonna install it and see how it goes. But before installing it, of course, we're gonna finish over here. Yeah, we're gonna make this silver. Moving forward to clear coat. Here we go. Wait, I saw an ant. Oh my god, please don't stay here. Please don't stay here. This is so not the correct way to do it. But it's okay. It is what it is. Alright guys, so I'm making my old rubber look brand new by using this solvent. This is actually water, soap and thinner. So I'm gonna just rub them off. Alright guys, so it's another day and I think it is already dried up, so let's take a look. So basically this thing is dried up, and the clear coat for my grill is also dried up, and also for the bezel right here there's actually some imperfection, but I already sanded it down. This is after sanding it. I'm gonna tape this part and I'm gonna paint this part silver. Alright guys, so one part has been taped down. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this and also this thing. So here we go. Boom guys, so I just taped down this thing and also the bezel, and this three item is actually ready to paint. And also I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape right here. Oh my god guys, this grill is actually looking awesome. And the emblem right here, it actually got a old paint here, which I can't use the paint remover, and I also can't use the sandpaper to sand it. So the chrome will eventually gone if you sand them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a razor to just shave, like slowly, gently shave all the paint. I'm just so careful to shave the paint, the old paint. After shaving it, the paint is completely gone, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a polish. So I'm gonna grab a little polish. Oh, it's too much. Maybe like this, and go ahead and give them a polish. So to polish something, you actually have to rub them. Just keep on rubbing them, So after rubbing, you can see all the dirty stuff is in here. So you're gonna take a new tissue paper and you're gonna just rub this. Watch. Look at it. It is shiny, this part. So for this part, same thing, wipe them. Look at this. Alright. Gonna put this right back. Alright guys, the emblem is back and the chrome is polished. Basically this grill is looking alright. Alright guys, so it's in the morning, so I'm right here today. Right now we're gonna paint this thing. Alright guys, so we are waiting it to dry for a little bit and we can proceed to the clear coat. Alright guys, so if you can see, it's actually a two-tone right now. It's actually a two-tone, silver and also the gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a clear coat. So this is the final result. Okay, it looks like this, the gray on this side and the silver on the side. So right now we're gonna go ahead and install to the car, and also the front bumper we're gonna kind of clean it up and install to the car right now. So my front bumper, actually they have been sitting for some time, so there's a lot of dust. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and if we need, we're gonna polish a little bit for the dirt. And yes, and also my car is kind of dirty right now, and I think I'm gonna give it a wash. Yes. Oh my god, this is so nice. So the car is pretty clean now. Everything has been cleaned up, and I'm actually going to install this thing. This is for the front, like this. It holds the headlamp, and then we can go and install the bezel and the grill. And also we're gonna paint this thing to silver. Yes. Oh my god， 有一个脸真的很好看。Alright guys, it's another week and the car currently looks like this. So this is the front grille and the bumper. Everything is good, and also the tail lamps. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the tail lamp that I am going after. Alright, so this is actually a KP31 tail lamp, which is pretty rare. Like, I don't even know if there is another set in Malaysia, but this one is something that I want to buy a long time ago. But oh my god, I just can't believe I have this tail lamp, because this is a pretty rare KP31 ST tail lamps. It just fits the car perfectly. But we're gonna restore this tail lamp because the paint is basically old, and we're gonna restore, we're gonna repaint. So basically it's two parts. So this is actually the casing, the metal casing outside right here, and this one is the lens. So both of this thing we're gonna restore it. So how we're gonna restore it is we're gonna paint this thing, we're gonna sand it down, and we're gonna paint this thing. And for this one, all the scratches you see right here, if you can see, there's some scratches. We're gonna sand it down for a little bit, and then we can clear coat the whole lens. Alright guys, so I just sand them down. It's a 320 grit, and I'm gonna let them dry. So meanwhile waiting them to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down for a little bit, and I'm gonna tape this thing, and I'm gonna paint this thing, because this is still haven't painted yet. Basically this thing is painted, and we are right now going to peel this thing. Alright guys, so finally the color is matching right now. The silver color is matching. Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. Oh my god, love this car so much. Yo, by the way, look at these wheels. Oh my god, this is the A1 A3A. Just looks so good. Moving forward, we have this air vent right here. This is the ventricle. It's actually right here, this thing. Alright, so we're gonna restore this one. Basically this thing needs a repaint. Yes, a repaint. Ta-da! So I just sand them down a little bit. Right now I'm gonna put it to the sun and let them dry. And moving forward to the rear tail lamps, so I'm gonna tape down this part and I'm gonna paint this part silver. So right now we're gonna tape this part. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so I just taped down everything and it's ready to paint now. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint this first, the air vent. And we're gonna clear coat this one. I think I'm not gonna clear coat this thing. I'm gonna just go ahead and polish a little bit because this is still an original lens, and if my clear coat quality was bad, it will cause a damage to my lens. So I'm just gonna keep the original look. Maybe I'm just gonna polish a little bit. The front end of the car currently looks so good. Like everything, the finishing is like, I just love the look. Like it's so original, like so stock. Alright guys, so it's done polish and I think it's ready to install. And also bought this stainless steel bolts for this one. Yes, and right now we're gonna go and install it. Let's go. This tail lamp is so much pretty right now. Oh my god, guys, just look at this. Oh my god. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. Check out the real tail lamps. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this is like crazy, bro. Crazy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this car is... Oh my god, this car is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Oh my god, this car is like, I don't know, like day by day I am more excited to drive this car. Yeah, we are hoping for the next video. So oh my god, this car is... You guys.